Welcome to this guide on Python type hinting. Today, we are going to explore how to write cleaner, safer, and more professional Python code using type hints. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your coding standards, this guide is for you. First, let's understand what they are. In standard Python, you just assign values to variables without saying what they are. With type hints, you explicitly state that a variable is an integer, a string, or a boolean. It acts as a label for your data. Why should you bother typing extra code? 3 main reasons. 1, it makes your code readable. You know exactly what a variable holds. 2, your code editor gives you better suggestions. And 3, you catch bugs early, long before you run your program. Here is the basic syntax. You put a colon after the variable name, followed by the type, like str for string or int for integer. Then you assign the value as usual. It is simple and keeps your intentions clear. Functions get even more powerful. You can specify the type for each argument and use an arrow to show what type of data the function returns. This tells anyone using your function exactly what to put in and what to expect out. For lists and dictionaries, you can be specific about what is inside them. Instead of just a generic list, you can say it is a list of integers. For dictionaries, you can define the type for both the keys and the values. Sometimes a variable can be more than one thing. You can use the pipe symbol to say or. For example, a value could be an integer or a float. This is also great for optional values that might be none. The real magic happens when you use tools like mypy or your code editor's built-in features. These tools read your type hints and warn you if you try to do something that does not make sense, like adding a number to a string. It is important to remember, Python ignores these hints when the program runs. If you type hint a variable as an integer but give it a string, Python will not stop you. The hints are there to help you and your tools, not to change how Python executes code. To wrap up, type hints make your code clearer and safer. Use the colon syntax for variables and the arrow for functions. Leverage tools to check your work. It might take a little more time to write, but it saves you hours of debugging later.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.